Flutter has a lot of packages that helps you to do things in a very easy and fast way, but don't get me wrong, it's not okay to use packages or any detail. Today I'm gonna show you some of them that can be useful for your development. The first package is Shimmer. Have you seen the Facebook loading, Reddit, and the famous media loading? This is what Shimmer does. This is for example purposes, so I'm gonna use this code right here. This is where I'm gonna replace this card for the shimmer to actually show it. I'm gonna put a future delay here and take note to these two variables right here because later we're gonna use it. Install the package in the Puxpad YAML file. We start with the shimmer from the colors. We set the duration in milliseconds with the time var we defined before. After that, you can set the highlight colors and the base color according to your UI. Then we use a container with a height using a media query. What you see here is because I'm using getX and a margin of 4 around. Then we use a stack and set an alignment in the center followed by a children inside position with a container as a child with the following height and width. Then we're gonna use a box decoration just to give a circular border and a color for the container. Then we're going to do almost the same position but with a left of 16, top of 0, same height and width with a container as a child. Then with a width of 145, set an alignment center right and then a box decoration exactly as we did before. As you can see right here, this is the result and this is how it looks like. Mock data. This package allows you to generate mock data as its name says. You can generate strings, integers, colors, dates, names, and a lot more. In this case, I'm gonna show you a random name generator using an RX string var called name, then equal to mock name mail.obs. What you see here, this dot notation, is because I'm using getX to change the UI, but it's almost the same for provider, a riverpod, or any other solution for state management. So I'm gonna declare this method called change name, which is gonna obviously change the name value with mock name. In the UI, I'm gonna add a title and the same text in the body using a floating action button with an onPress method. I'm gonna add the change name method. So let's see what it does. As you can see here, it's generate random mail names. The third package is AnimeDo. If you've seen the AnimeDo CSS library, so you know this one. It does the same thing but in Flutter. As you can see right here, this is all the animation you can get from this package. So let's go ahead to the PubSpec file to add the package. I'm gonna put a center in a body. Inside the center there is a row with the main axis alignment with a space around. Then inside the children, I'm gonna put 4 different animations with the same square widget that I'm gonna create right now. This square widget is going to have a container with these props. This error you see here is because I haven't imported the package yet, so you better have to do that. And this is how it looks like. The last package in Flutter is Flutter Native Splash. As the name says, helps you to generate splash screens in a very easy way. Let's add it in the PubSpec file, but as a dev dependency because you will need it in your APK, it's not necessary according to the documentation. Create a file in the root of your project called flutter_splash.yaml and add the following code. You can use a color with the number symbol and there's some other configuration that you can see in the documentation of the package. Now let's go to the terminal and hit flutter pub run flutter_native_splash create, and this is the result. The package works for both Android and iOS, by the way. This is it for today, guys. I hope you really liked the video. If it does help you, if so, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.